We're good? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Scooty doo, scooty doo 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 ba ba. Yeah. Do you do this? Copy, paste, filter, then paste, I guess. Copy, move the sheet, paste, over and over again? Look at it. It's so fast, right? If you think that, you're wrong. Oh no. What is he doing? The find button? Oh no. You're asking to get the wrong thing. There's a better way. It's easy for folks to understand what today's topic does because we just showed you. What seems to be the struggle for a lot of folks is how to make Excel do it for you, and that's what this channel is all about. So today we're going to quickly cover one of the most used functions of all time, the VLOOKUP. In a later video, we're going to cover some of the other lookup functions and some of the reference functions that kind of go along with this. But this video is going to take long enough to produce as it is, so let's get moving. If you want to skip ahead to the actual walkthrough, just like in the last video, have some patience. We're going to get to that right now. So what is a VLOOKUP? As we showed at the beginning of the video, it's a function that pulls data from one table and moves into another. A few days ago, I put out a graphic on social media kind of describing how the Excel thinks when it's executing a VLOOKUP, but I like this one better. So we have a table on the left and a table on the right, and somehow Jerry has found his way into both of them. Well, we want information about Jerry that's in one table but not the other, consolidated and put all in the same place. And that's what we use a VLOOKUP for. So I obviously couldn't use real companies' information when making these demos and wanted to express my creative side when coming up with sample data that we'll be running these formulas off of. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you
the Unreal Products Corporation, Inc., LLC, sole proprietorship.
So in this example, we're going to look at the year 3 BC and 4 BC's income statements for the Unreal Products Corporation. Now, in this example, I have a prior year as 3 BC. I realize that's wrong. Luckily, this isn't real, so it's not that consequential. So other than that, everything else is accurate. So we hit VL and tab over. We're looking up our sales. And we're looking up from current year into the prior year columns. Now, this is our array, and so we can either have the entire two columns, A and B, in the other sheet highlighted, or we can just select this range and use those little dollar signs to make an absolute reference. And then we want the second column in the set. So A would be 1, B is 2. We want number 2, and then that pulls over our value. And lastly, we have the true-false match, which is almost pointless because true being the default is worthless. You want a false match. That means exact match. And as John Madden would say, boom, we've got a comparison. All we have to do is some special formatting now after dragging the magic down, and boom. Well, that wraps it up for today, folks. Thank you for watching if you stuck around this far, and please leave comments, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if that tickles your fancy. I hope you have a wonderful one, and shine on.